How to hide all posts on Facebook in just one click. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. Then, go to the menu bar from the top right corner. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings, scroll down, and then you will see an option of Activity Log. Go over there. After that, go to Activity History, go to Filters, and then go to Categories. Select your Facebook activity, go to Post, go to your post, photos and videos. After that, select all of the videos and photos and then tap on this three dot. Now go to Change Audience. From here, make it only me. Go back and done. Now these posts will be hidden from your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.